This video will demo how to use the 5 custom input fields found under a patron's CRM profile. To set this up, go down to CRM, Customer Details, and then load a patron. Once loaded, click the Edit pencil and go to More Options. Here you'll see the 5 custom input fields. You can change these from custom 1 to a specific label, and then the input would go right here. So let's set a couple of these up. Click the Edit pencil. I'm going to make this say favorite color, press Save, and now every account will then have the question favorite color, and you can start inputting this on each profile that you want to use this information for. Let's set up 2 of these. I'm going to change custom 2 to favorite animal and press Save. And then now you can start filling this in. So for Ben's profile, I'm going to say red. And for animal, I'm going to say lion, and then press Save. And so now if I went to someone else's account, this information would then be blank, and then I can start filling in this information. These input fields can also be turned on to be collected during online checkout or in the box office. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can use the custom patron report to pull this information. So let's take a look at how we can capture this information online or in the box office. Exit out of the profile, and then under CRM, scroll down to Surveys. And you'll see our little headers right there. To turn these on, just click the box. You can ask a short question right here with inputs. So for favorite color, maybe I want to give them only a few choices. I could say something like red, blue, black. And then you can make this optional or required. And then online, you can decide if you want this question to be asked pre-checkout or post-checkout. I'm going to have this question set to pre, and I'm going to turn on the animal one and then have that one be a input box that they have to type in the answer for, and I'm going to make that be post checkout. Let's press Save. Let's take a look at how this looks online now. These questions will populate once the user has signed into their account, so that way the information can be tied to their profile. Once they've answered the question one time, the question will not be asked for future sign-ins. So once they have that data populated, the information will not show again, and they will not be asked to enter this information again down the line. So let's sign in. Okay, so I've signed in now, and then I see the question right here. I can go ahead and enter that answer. Let's agree to the terms and conditions, press continue, and I'm going to pay for this. Okay, I've completed my purchase, and then now you'll see the post question, and I can enter that answer and press Save. In the box office, the process is the same, except for it's all prepayment. So if we go to the box office, have some items in our cart, and we load an account that has not answered this information, we'll then see the option to enter it. So Keith has not answered this, and then here is his choices. We'll fill this in, and then we can pay for the item. You can pull this information by using the custom patron report. So let's head on over to Reports, Custom Patron Report, and you're going to create a report. Just press the green button. Choose the outputs you'd like, but what we're looking for here is we want to know our inputs here. So this is custom input 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We only filled out 1 and 2, so let's just click these 2 here. I'm going to do first contact, which will give me their name. I'm going to click account ID, name the report, and press Save and Run. And then now we see our responses for those questions for those 2 users that we did that for. And that's how you use the custom input fields.